Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a new atlas. Tie project and saving it to a clear folder path. Name the project with a concise, descriptive title for later retrieval. Import documents using drag and drop or the import tool, which takes about 5 minutes for moderate datasets. Organize imported files into document groups and set language options for accurate text handling. Define document types like interview, focus group, or observation at the start. Finally, check file integrity and back up the project to avoid data. Begin coding by creating codes manually or using auto-coding for repeated words. Use in vivo codes when exact participant language matters for thematic fidelity. Group related codes into hierarchies to keep the codebook organized and searchable. Attach memos to quotations to record emerging ideas and analysis rationale. Add comments to codes and quotations to capture reflexive notes and decisions. Link memos to codes and documents so you can trace analytic choices later. Use the query tool to search by code, case, or document and refine results iteratively. Run code co-occurrence and complex query tools to test thematic relationships and overlaps. Build network views and visual maps to display links between codes, memos, and documents for presentations. Use the Smart Coding tool to review and revise coded segments efficiently. Export quotations, codebook entries, and analytic reports as Excel, PDF, or CSV files for sharing. Finally, create backups and archive the project for reproducibility and audit trails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.